Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be creating a private post in WordPress. And you can launch your own disposable WordPress instance using a service called InstaWP. So if you'd like to follow along with this tutorial, you can go over to their website and launch your own disposable WordPress environment in under 1 minute. And this service has amazing free and pro features with plans starting at $9. So check out their website. All right, so we are going to begin creating a private post. And I would just like to explain user permissions in regards to private posts. So we have three main user roles. We have authors, editors, and administrators. So authors will not be able to see private posts from other users, but they will be able to create, publish, and make changes to their own private posts. Editors can edit, create, and delete private posts created by any user. And finally, administrators will be able to do everything. They will be able to edit, create, delete, and view posts created by any user on that WordPress website. So let's create a private post. Go over to Posts on the left, then click Add New. Let's give this a title. Let's call this Test. Now let's add some dummy text. Let's use lorem ipsum, just one paragraph. So I'm going to copy the paragraph and paste it in this block right here. Okay. Now on the left, click Post. And under Visibility, click Public and change it to Private. Click OK. All right. So that's all there is to it. Let's view the post. And we see Private, and Test. So this is basically indicating that our post is now private. Let's test it. Let's copy the URL and let's open a new incognito window. Paste it here and press enter. So it says nothing here. And if we go back to our website where we are logged in and paste this in a new tab, press enter. It now shows the post because we have the right permissions to do so. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make an existing post private. So go over to Posts, click All Posts, and let's view the Hello World post. Okay, so if we take a look on the right, we see that the visibility is public. Let's change it to private and click OK. So the visibility is now private. So let's go back and change the visibility of our previous post back to public. So I'm going to click back and click test. See, it's private. So I'm going to click this, and on the right, I'm going to change the visibility to public. To do this, you would have to click update. Okay, so we have now changed the status of this post to public. And the same method applies to pages, but I'm going to walk you through it as well. So hover over pages and click add new. Now choose a title for your page. I'm going to call this test page. And I'm going to get some content for this page quickly. So this part will be sped up. Click page on the right and under visibility, click public, then select private. Click OK. So our page is now private. Click view page in the bottom left-hand corner. And here we can see proof that our test page is now private. Now let's view this in an incognito window. So I'm going to paste the link and press enter. All right, so it says nothing here. And if we use this same link in a new tab, and once again, it shows up as a private page. Now I'm going to show you how to change your post visibility using the classic editor. So click your post and on the right, under visibility, click edit. Then click private, click OK. Then click update on the right. Okay, now let's view the page. Okay, so it shows that it is private. And you can always go back and switch this to public. Okay, so now you know how to create a private post and page in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching.